Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain a little about packing and unpacking propositional and keyword arguments in Python. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and comment. Let's start with packing. You can use packing and unpacking with lists and dictionaries. So first let's start with packing and lists. So we want to call a function and pass to it a lot of positional arguments. We don't know how many, so something like this. To pass any number of arguments to this function. So for example, one time we pass this amount, next time we pass only two arguments, etc. We need to declare a function in very specific way. So to use packing with list, we need to use asterisk. So these asterisks mean that all arguments that the function receive, it will pack it to a list, and then you can access to this list normally, like this, like any other list. Let's check it. You can see that our print show us the first time the list has 6 elements, and the second time only 2. So this case is called packing for lists. Then we have another case, that is unpacking and lists. So in this example we have a list A, and inside this list each number means something for positional arguments. For example, we need to declare a function so our function receive 4 positional arguments A, B, C, D. So now to convert this list and unpack it and pass to a function the positional arguments, we need to call a function in a very specific way. We need to use asterisk and the list. So now, for example, when we call this function, it receives 4 positional arguments, and we print each one, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we have the same packing and unpacking, but for dictionaries. Let's start with packing dictionaries. We need to use packing dictionaries when we don't know how many keyword arguments we will receive in our function. To use packing with dictionaries, you need to use 2 asterisks. So in this case, this function can receive any number of arguments in format uh, as dictionary. So for example, uh, something like argument 1 mean high, argument 2 is number 3, etc. And this function can receive any number. So for example, if we call it, we can do something like this. A mean high, B mean 1. Something like this mean like this. No, and now you can see that uh, when we call the function, the print show us a dictionary. So these 2 asterisks is convert all keyword arguments that you pass the function to a dictionary, and then you can access this dictionary as always. Then we have the unpacking for dictionaries. Unpacking dictionary we need to use in Python when we have a dictionary with some values. For example, a something. Then key2 value 2. So for example, we know that our function need to receive two keyword arguments. So in some part of the code we have our dictionary with these values, and then when we call that function we just pass to it the dictionary. For example, first we need to declare a function that will receive those two arguments. So now when we call the function, and if we pass just our dict a, it will not work. First we need to unpack this dictionary into separate values. To do it we need to use two asterisks. So now you can see that it works. For example, print a show something, print key2 show value 2. So this packing in unpacking is very useful in some cases. For example, you can declare a flexible functions. So the function can accept a variable number of positional argument or keyword arguments. It's also useful for mathematical operations. And what more? Something like setting parameters in for some framework or something like that. So it's very useful when you don't know how many arguments the function need to receive or how many arguments you will need to pass. For today, I think we are done with this explanation. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.